Hey guys, so I'm going to remove the center panel trim here so I can just get some access to it. I've already removed the driver's side because when I had issues getting one of the bolts out of the door, I took it apart quick because I knew the wiring runs through the panel on the back side through all the little holes, which you'll see here. So I'm just going to remove this quick. This way I can put them both together, label the screws that are in there, put it away for storage. So here we go. Just a mental note also, this part here tucked underneath here,